Chad. I hope you're doing great. Hey, Emily. I hear you guys got a cooking challenge coming up. Time to stop. Yep. You have 10 minutes. There you go. Thanks. They're over there shopping. There's a lot of debate happening. I spotted some wild llamas. I'm confident. They just got out in 10 minutes. They were actually 2 seconds short. Let's see the reveal. All over the place. Zucchini? Is that an eggplant?
What? Yeah, 2
I thought those were poisonous. No?
1 chicken tenderloins.
Easy win.
So far, so good.
Okay. Piniple.
We got your pineapple.
Oh, that's how you say it.
This is gonna be so easy.
You guys, I feel like you guys went real easy on us.
And then for dessert, we got you these lovely pastry puffs for the secret ingredient.
Oh gosh, I thought that was.
Drum roll. We got you 1 celery root.
Wait, what is that?
That's got to go in everything?
What? I need a moment to think about this.
We can have 4 different types of chickens.
What do I need to do?
Apple chicken. Apple chicken, strawberry, pineapple.
Oh, dude, that's not a good idea.
Chicken. We should cook the chicken with the pineapple, right? We could stuff it. We could take 2 tenderloins and toothpick them together.
Chicken breast sandwiches. But without the
And
sandwich.
put some cheese and pineapple in them.
There's bananas here. We're gonna do it.
How do you think you cut this?
Oh, well, do it in half first, obviously. Just right down the old middle. Yes. Well, now you can inspect it for quality. Good. Lick it. Smells just like it should.
Whoa. Do we have a grater? Oh, you just sliced celery root.
Ever sauteed a celery root?
No, but we got plenty enough to try. So many chickens here, we need to have 4 different types. Make a chicken sandwich. It's pretty much the KFC double down. Grilled pineapple chicken. That's one simple one.
Too easy. Don't like it.
We got strawberries. I'm really thinking strawberry pineapple chicken. Look at Emily's face!
Don't be worried about this.
She was like,
I'm cooking the old one.
what are you guys doing?
There's egg chicken.
Now what do you do with this?
I'll show you.
I don't know how to cut a pineapple, do you?
Oh yeah, you just take the skin off of it, obviously. Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
There it is.
Do
that all the way around.
What do you do with this? You think you just break this off?
Just cut it
We
off.
have Amanda make an appetizer out
Grill these face now.
Oh, yeah, with cinnamon.
Obviously, you'll just eat it with the skin off.
No, I put some cinnamon on it. We can broil it. Oh,
Root. Smells like the root of the celery.
alright, we'll grate some of it.
Celery root is slaw.
Oh, that's a good idea. We got tons of vinegar.
These 2 things might not go together very well, but I like root. Take a nibble. Take a nibble. Here. Give this a little. Gotcha. I got this. Not much flavor going on there.
Oh, I know what we can do with this. We did it with Kristen one time. We'll grind a whole bunch of it.
Yeah.
We need it finer than that, though. And we cook it like mashed potatoes.
Like a little patty with it.
Yeah.
I'll hold it to this.
The chicken has now been added to the pan back here with Chad, cooking up with those zucchini and onions. Kenny's still over here shredding some celery root to go into the celery root pancake.
Yeah,
Don't put this onion in here?
We may need more. We'll just have it, yeah. Don't put it all. Just feel it out.
And we got a little bit of tension between our two chefs here. Kenny wants to dump all the onion in. Chad's not a fan. He thinks it's gonna be overkill. What will Kenny do? Looks like he's going for it. He's gonna put all that onion in there. Woo!
I like how you antagonized him to do that. It's you.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need that egg.
Oh,
I think we might need more pieces.
Wisconsin sharp cheddar. Throw in that bowl.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Squeezing out some excess water from our first celery root pancake.
How big we want it?
Woo! Listen to that sizzle.
Yeah. Put it on high.
Welcome back to the great shakeup phase.
What do we got going on in the kitchen, Emily?
I don't know. We're squeezing out a lot of stuff from
Here, we can put mustard in them.
That we are. Seems like we've switched
Well, we'll take
directions
those.
from trying to fry these up on the stove, and we're now baking them. Squeezing out a little bit of the excess, adding some mustard to a few of them, and some more mustard.
So good.
Mustard.
Put your nose in there.
Yeah, buddy.
That's surprising.
Yeah, buddy.
It's good smelling.
Alright, it looks like Kenny is pulling these pastries out of the oven. They look like a nice, beautiful golden brown. That was a close moment right there.
What we could have done is made a pizza out of the pastries.
Here, give me the blade. I'll go wash it.
You probably don't even need a cutting board. You could just cut it without the board.
Yeah. Oh.
It didn't say no knife. Oh my god.
Stop.
You go.
On the floor again.
Hello. It's fine. Which one of these? Cajun. Ooh, ow, it's hot. I think we're pretty close to done.
Welcome back to the Great Shake-Up Bake Up. We're getting down to the wire. Emily, timekeeper, how we doing?
8 minutes.
8 minutes to go. What's your confidence level on them getting everything on the plate?
Not the great.
Don't put it on there now.
Last 2 minutes.
Chocolate's burned.
Really
It
coming down
burns.
to the wire here.
A lot of kitty saliva in all of ours. He's
Sorry,
like the
guys.
fork with his fingers, and he's using all of it to put the chocolate.
It's good.
1 minute left.
How you feeling?
This is so much easier than I really thought it was going to be.
Oh, God, that's so hot. It's burning. It's all burning. I can't feel my face.
What will happen here?
What is this?
15 seconds.
15 seconds left.
Do the smallest one.
We need at least one on every plate. Will be disqualified.
Exploded.
It's so hot!
Put it down, Chad. Put it down.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Nailed it.
We're
Done.
Woo!
Easy peasy.
Alright, chefs, can you tell us what you made?
For appetizer, we have some toasted pineapple with cinnamon.
Delicious. Alright, Emily is going to go ahead and taste our pineapple appetizer here, sprinkled with cinnamon. There's the first bite.
Very good. It's almost like the filling of an apple pie, but pineapple.
Mmm. See what the chefs think of their
So
food.
you're saying it's amazing, that tasted better than Grandma's apple pie? I'd agree with that.
Yeah, something about pineapple and cinnamon. It's pretty good.
Yep, that's a 10 out of 10, folks.
We went with a sauteed zucchini, onion, pineapple, chicken, celery root, with a little bit of celery root to garnish. We got some celery root potato cakes with onions, cheese, and egg.
Here we have the main dish that we're about to taste for the first time. I'm going to try to get a little bit of everything in this first bite.
Probably gonna be better.
It's pretty good, really. The zucchini and the pineapple go really well together with the chicken.
Oh, does it
I
taste
haven't
good?
tasted the pancake yet.
I mean, we know, but
It's very interesting. It's a little bit chewy. Definitely strong notes of celery coming through.
Here we go. Let's give this a go.
Let's hear what the chefs think.
Mmm. Yeah, I don't like that. Not a bit. 10 out of 10 for sure. Woo! I don't like any of this really.
We're gonna go out, guys.
None of it's that great.
We're gonna go grab some dinner.
Don't eat it.
But
On a scale,
That's our second helping.
on a scale of 1 to what Kristen made last time, or what you both made last time.
Are you
Where
saying
is
1
this?
to 10? 1 to Kristen doesn't mean much.
You know what I'm saying. Go for it.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with like a 3 or 4 because probably no one's gonna eat that. This part's okay.
I don't know, it's pretty good with the Cholula.
10 out of 10.
I'm not sure.
I stand by that.
I think everyone is unanimous that the girls win.
A girl won, but I would give this a solid 6.
I want to say that what is winning?
And then we have for dessert
I can smell this yet.
pastries. I'm gonna have one
Don't
without.
have
I
dessert.
need chocolate.
Now I will say we got the opportunity to add ice cream and plate last minute. You could.
It's done, Jess. That one was kind of hard to mess up, I feel like.
They're a little dry.
It's-
But no,
Oh, no.
we're dry. Finish your water.